Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee 80th Anniversary in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With dark headlamp bezel finish, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, power sunroof, remote start system, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 905588A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.